Yes, Warrant Officer Alvord. I'm with the Texas State Guard. Yeah, so today we're training the National Guard on how to operate airboats safely. We're trying to set them up for success on the border mission. So it's 138 hours of classroom and hands-on operation. So it's about 2.5 weeks straight through. What we'll do is we'll school them on all areas of the boat, how to maintenance some of it, basic maintenance, just familiarize them with the boat itself, as well as teach them how to operate it safely and effectively. Well, we have some shallow areas in the Del Rio and Eagle Pass area that require something like this to maneuver a little better because the water depth is not good enough for the bigger boats. Oh, we're just grateful that we have the opportunity to do this for the National Guard and for OLS in the state of Texas.
Jake Jordan, I'm Sergeant. I work as the 2IC of SRT-1 with the engineers down in Brownsville. As of right now, we're reinforcing the original C-wire with the ACB panels. The ACB panels are reinforced with C-wire and razor wire, and it's going to go along the Rio Grande River for about a little over 21,000 feet. So ACB stands for anti-climb barrier, so it's just a more effective way with all the reinforcement and everything. It avoids them trying to climb over it and provides more of a deterrent for them to filter into the POEs. So it's been a really good, effective way to keep them on the Mike side and just for them to clear out those camps as well.